Yeah, I saw that Linus got hacked by crypto-related hacking.
Yeah.
What's interesting about it is, and you messaged me early in the morning. It's actually a lot of comments about it. Okay.
Yeah.
Shout out, Steve. Thanks.
We
for
can
the super
talk
chat.
about it now.
Well,
I thought it was.
We are. We already are.
Okay. Yeah.
We're talking about it now. It's got picked up now as well by major media outlets. I saw The Verge posted on it. Obviously, we're in Gizmodo here. Well, it's a big enterprise. You start to talk about Linus Tech Tips, not just the main channel, but like the whole variety of channels, the number of employees, and just like the scope of it. And then you hear, oh man, the channel is down. And then you hear, before it goes down, you got all the videos deleted. And you can kind of, I mean, it's easy for me. Not easy, but I'm capable to an extent of imagining what that is, what that feeling is like, because of just sort of your investment into just your daily routine and habits around your channel and your schedule and whatever else. And then it's like, nope, not today. And it's a complete reset. He has now responded with, yes, I know. And a little... what is that? The straight face? The kind of, how do you describe it? I mean, it's been replaced by emoji at this point, but it's an old school emoji. I like it.
I do like it as well. It's like an annoyed face.
It's like no express. It's like
not again.
Yeah.
Neutral. I don't know.
So anyway, they went on there and did their usual weird Elon live stream, send us crypto. Like, they're just the usual hacker agenda.
Yeah.
And now it's sort of in the hands of YouTube and YouTube's backups and everything else. And now they're going to have to reach in there and try to restore everything, because obviously damage gets done, things get deleted. It's weird that they changed the handle to temporary handle. They changed the title of the channel to Linus Tech Tips Temp, which is a weird choice. And then
just Elon.
And then they go with the same,
with multiple live streams.
Elon live stream every time, and the fake sort of. This is really a new Elon announcement, but it's the same Elon clip from whenever ago, and edited and made to look like something else, and then
deleted a lot of his videos.
Yeah, up to 7 years ago.
Yeah.
It's ugly. It's not the first time that it's happened, because as soon as you said this to me, I was like, this happened a few years back. I found some sort of moment from about, I think, like 6 years ago. I don't know how many times total, but it's a no fun type of experience. Wishing Linus all the best on hopefully getting that rectified in some way or another. Maybe we'll hear from him, or maybe we'll just see the channel come back to life. Are the other channels affected at all?
Like short circuit? Or
I don't think so. For some reason, I don't think those channels were affected. Just the main channel, which I guess is probably the most significant anyway. But yeah, it's becoming a real issue, and I don't even know how. I mean, obviously there are ways in which you can combat the potential for the hack, but that this thing remains lucrative enough for tremendous amounts of energy to go into it, much like the kind of comment spam or the giveaway spam or the all this weird variety of cons that are just so prevalent now. The comment bots, and oh my God, dude, it's endless with it. It's frustrating. And YouTube saying, wow, we're going to get to the bottom of it. And Twitter saying, wow, we're going to get to the, but nobody gets to the bottom of it. There seems to be no improvement. And the other channels do appear to be up, by the way, LMG Clips, Short Circuit, and others. So this seems to only be affecting the main Linus Tech Tips channel.
Good luck.
Yeah, I'm really sure. I'm sure YouTube's going to be helping out here as best they can. People in the chat, in the comments on the tweet here, say this is obviously a prank, right? So, have you deleted the LTT YouTube account or something else? Since my watch later is showing deleted videos, and the LTT channel is nowhere to be found on
Just
YouTube
chaos.
today.
Well,
this is a misunderstanding, right? This is people. Oh, 3 of your channels are down. Which 3? What are the other? Is there more channels than I can recall? Super fun. Oh, you know what? There are other channels. Tech Linked is a channel,
Okay.
and one other one. Yeah, okay, so it's not just affecting one channel. There is 3 channels total. I'm forgetting what the other one, the news channel. It's like Tech News, short, like 5 minutes or something type of show.
Tech Quickie.
Tech Quickie, but also Tech Linked, I think. I don't know. I might be crazy here. Yeah, you're spelling Quickie wrong. It's IE. But it's also, I'm sure, not going to be available. Like IE at the end. Yeah, like that. Also not available. So it's actually 3 channels total. And you have to believe a guy like him might be a significant target because of the nature of these crypto scams. That audience might be responsive to that. I don't know. But it seems that anybody can basically be targeted with it. Because you see those Elon videos pop up all over the place, and they get big views. You can have, I don't know how many active viewers were on at the peak there, whatever that is, 8,000 or so. You could get tens of thousands of viewers instantaneously, and you need only a small number to convert to effectively get scammed for it to be worthwhile. And it's, it kind of reminds me of the increase in car theft going on. It has to do with demand, ultimately, in the end. And in the case of the con, it has to do with the willing participant. It's the person who ultimately gets conned who then encourages the repeat con. Because it's like, well, it worked. And that's why I guess it's important to distribute this message as frequently as possible, because as much as these tech giants supposedly are trying, they're trying ineffectively. And the more people that know how these things work, the less likely people are going to get got by them. And then therefore, the less likely they are to continue to occur, because the margin is going to be depleted by the fact that it just doesn't really work. And then it wasn't worth the effort or people's time because they weren't scamming or conning as many people.
Yeah. I mean, there's a reason why it works. And it's because people keep doing it. It's like a reoccurring thing.
Supply and demand, even in the con artist realm. And I got to believe in other areas where people have become a little bit more sophisticated, like email, let's say, it's less effective now for these types. So they go to these other mediums, they go to social media, and they go to YouTube channels, and they go to live streaming, and they go to places where opportunity still exists, where people can still be conned. So hopefully it happens to fewer people, or more people can sniff it out initially, and then there's less incentive to do it in the first place. But some people just want to cause chaos as well. Although I don't think that's what happened in this case.
It's almost
appeared
like
to be incentive.
they timed it as well.
What do you mean?
Like the hack happened in the middle of the night based on their time zone.
Oh, so it would last longer?
Yeah, or just not. I guess Linus may be sleeping, or his team as well, and yes, just kind of got him at the most opportune time.
Somebody here, David, says
Unlucky
Jerry Rig Everything actually talked to one of the scammers in this case. So maybe he actually pretended to be, go ahead and con me. Let me hear more about your cool crypto venture. Good for him. I don't know. Maybe he's going to be able to get some information. I have to assume that would be hard, and I have to also assume that probably these individuals are not exactly local. There might be some distances between where they're operating and where the effect of their operation has hit. Anyway, shout out Linus. I feel for you. I hope you get everything sorted out. And hey, YouTube, help fix the guy up. I know you got all that stuff backed up.
Yeah.
Thank God for you. Thank God for YouTube. I know you got all that stuff backed up, right? Oh, I don't know, say 10 years of work. Say the last decade of media and work that dozens of people worked on. You got all that, right, YouTube? Come on, right, YouTube? The data centers, huh?
Yeah, it's just up in the cloud somewhere.